We got this guy, and this guy, and then the other guy ran away. I see, that's why I didn't want to charge, because I knew he'd be up there.
I gotta bring it before 5, so stay there.
Didn't see a dead rag! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not shooting anything. I should get that checked out. He forgot to reload. Oh! Get that flag away from here. Die!
You're not using your gun while holding the flag.
Oh, now you tell me. When then?
If you wouldn't have walked off early, you would have known. Hey!
Don't tell him. Dead men don't talk.
Holding the flag.
Dead men do not talk. Dead men don't talk. Medic, please. I don't want to walk back. My gun's heavy. And I'm lazy. Okay. Oh, God. Ow. Hey, no full water.
Auto on 20 feet, sir.
Oh, safe. It's my arm. Help! Oh, my arm. Edwin, can you control the weather with your admin powers? Can you like turn down the humidity?
It's not very nice.
No! Hi. Yeah! Fucking call that!
What do you mean, bro? I definitely shot you way before.
Eight, 9, 10. Okay, go. There were 2 guys up there in her day. Bye.
Check those corners.
Machine gun. Hey, Maniac, Rowdy, you want to help us? Right side? We're gonna push up.
I'm gonna push forward as bait. Y'all kill whoever fucking follows.
No?
There's someone in there right there.
Where?
In that container. You see his gun?
I don't know. Let me use my scope. Yeah, I see some people in the right container. Container. Yeah, it's basically like a warm-up system. Objective.
You gotta make it to building 84.
Okay, that's right there.
Go, man, go! No! You tried your best, and that's what counts, you stupid idiot. Why do you encourage it? Why did you encourage him to die? Why? You said you were following me. I'm not dead now.